Aging skin? Tired muscles? You could go to a luxury spa to rejuvenate your skin and pamper your body, or you could bring the spa to you with Spin Spa, the spinning brush that turns showering into a spa experience. For aging skin, use the microdermabrasion head to cleanse away dead skin cells from head to toe and reveal the youthful skin beneath, or use the mesh sponge for a more gentle exfoliation, giving your skin that clean and healthy glow every day. For tired muscles, use the massage head to soothe away aches and pains. The soft massaging fingers also improve circulation, perfect for areas prone to cellulite. The extra long handle makes reaching your back and lower legs easy. For dry, cracked feet, use the salon quality pumice stone to smooth away calluses and rough skin, so you can have pedicure perfect feet all the time. Spin Spa comes with every indulgence you'd find at a spa, and it's great for everyday cleaning too. Spin Spa. Get yours today.
I've had like peach fuzz on my face, I've had sideburns. I know people notice it and it just makes me feel uncomfortable and insecure. I love Flawless. This is the only way that I've been able to get that flawless, smooth look with my makeup. It's so easy to use. You just turn it on and make little circles and no hair. I just feel really pretty and feminine and I'm confident. I can just so fast use this, boom, done, flawless.
Flawless. Don't put on your makeup without it.
Now, more than ever, our privacy is under attack because there are tiny hidden cameras watching and recording us all the time, everywhere, even in our most intimate moments without our knowledge. These tiny cameras are found all the time in dressing rooms, hotel rooms, public bathrooms, apartments, locker rooms, and places you didn't think possible. The SpyFinder Pro puts an end to concerns of privacy invasion by instantly uncovering all hidden camera lenses which are spying on you. This easy-to-use, pocket-sized detector can go along with you anywhere. To use the SpyFinder Pro, look through the viewfinder while pushing the button on top to activate the 6 super bright LED strobe lights. These special red lights are specifically engineered to bounce off of the reflective surface which all camera lenses have, no matter how big or small they may be. Now with Maxi Boost LED technology, there are 3 LED intensity modes that allow you to better control and hone in on the area you are sweeping. High is best for larger rooms and open office or living spaces, and low is best for smaller rooms, bathrooms, dressing rooms, and shiny surfaces such as plastic or glass. In a slow, sweeping motion, scan the room, looking at all surfaces until you are confident the room is clean and free from potential hidden cameras. Even if the camera is turned off, you'll clearly see that the camera lens is blinking back at you up to 45 feet away. Put a stop to the invasion of your privacy before